So good day everyone, I am Shazal Ikalimpon. So what we're going to do now is we need to find the mean, median, mode. So the first step is we need to find the mean, so the average score. So the formula is sum of all scores, then divide the number of students, then ang total is 3,803, then the number of students is 54. So 3,803 divided 54 is equal to 70.43. So muni ang ato ang mean. Then the second step is we need to find the median, so the middle value. So step one ani is arrange the score from lowest to highest, then find the middle value. So i-arrange na to ang score sa lowest paingon sa highest. So 33 ang lowest, then ang highest is 105. So ang median is 70 plus 71, then divide 2, so equal 70.80. So muni ang kanang median. So ang third step is we need to find the mode, so most frequent score. So ang 72 nga score is nibalik siya in 5 times, then ang 65 is nibalik siya katulo, then ang 67 is tulo ang nagkakuha o score nga 67. So the mode is 72. So measure of skewness, so standard deviation is equal to 18.93. So the calculated value is negative 0.26. So difficulty index is mean score, then divide siya sa highest possible score, then times 100. So the given is mean is 69.44. So ang highest possible score is equal to 105. So 69.44, then it divides 105, then times 100 is equal to 66.13%. So it is moderate difficulty. So ang discrimination index is step 1 is the total student is 54. So 27% of 54 is equal to 15 students per group. So ang upper group is nag-score of 89, 91, 94, 98, 105 to 87, 86, 84, 82, 81, 80, 78. So the average is equal to 46. So step 3 is i-compute ang discrimination index. So upper average to lower average. So divide the highest possible score, then times 100. So 91.7 0.46. So it divides siya sa 105, then times 100. So equals to 42.92%. So it is in X